Understanding the role of a station master. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, station master. This term is commonly used in the context of railways, but what does it really mean? Stay with us to find out more about this interesting and important role. A station master is an individual responsible for overseeing the operations of a railway station. They play a crucial role in ensuring that trains run smoothly and safely. This position involves a variety of tasks including managing railway staff, handling customer inquiries, and ensuring the maintenance and safety of the station. The station master is often seen as the face of the railway station, representing the railway company to passengers and staff alike. The duties of a station master are diverse. They include 1. Managing staff, overseeing the work of all railway employees at the station. 2. Ensuring safety, implementing safety protocols and dealing with emergencies. 3. Customer service, addressing passenger concerns and providing information. 4. Station maintenance, ensuring the station is clean, safe, and well maintained. 5. Operational management, supervising the arrival and departure of trains. To be an effective station master, certain skills are essential. These include strong leadership, ability to lead and manage a team, effective communication, clear and concise communication with staff and passengers, problem-solving abilities, quick thinking to handle unexpected situations, attention to detail, ensuring all aspects of the station run smoothly, customer service skills, providing excellent service to passengers. Station masters play a critical role in the railway system. They ensure that trains operate on time, passenger safety is a top priority, customer queries are resolved efficiently, the station maintains a positive image. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a station master is and the vital role they play in the functioning of railway stations. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.